Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the unit over and remove 11 7mm screws from the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Peel back the tape and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Note that it's easier to just remove the battery for this repair as there's nothing holding it in place. And gently insert the opener pick between the bezel and the back cover. Slide along the edges to pop the bezel free. Remove 4 2.5mm screws from the LCD panel. Lift the panel up and lay it down. Peel back the tape. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the LCD cable from the LCD panel. Plug the LCD cable into the new panel and lay it back into place. Replace the 4 2.5mm screws. Replace the bezel and push down to snap it back into place. Plug the battery back into the motherboard and lay the battery back into place. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the 11 7mm screws into the bottom cover.